Yeah, you lost your way, go yeki deal na 15 years. When you lost a family, you were still young, she left you in tears. Gone are the days of we say jumping castle, not deponents. Now you part of the youth, niggas fighting hard to be millionaires. Today you woke up early and prayed up wavasubuso wathupha esitulweni yafika ingqondo sezibuza umbuzo into nivasi lapho xa udinga umoya wohlamba isono ndayazi uzothi ngiqala uchuku thetha nawe siphukuphuku sinikiwe empahla ndithetha nawe sandi kubona ukude abakufuphi kuwe abanathando ngoba uthandwa kude kudala sixelela kenza ntoni ukuze uzibone ukude ambothatha la mic egoli uphelise lamvula sibhuqe kwenyuka amanani inombolo right bayibone kuwe. Your father was a drug addict at the age of 39. Now you're smoking rappers and quickly post it on Spotify, depending on wisdom to lift the head up and be the guy. Kudala bexelela nabakholwayo that you the God, but fuck you Sinikiwe. You lost a lot of chances just cause une pride Sinikiwe. Akonde Sinikiwe baphazamile ngo Sinikiwe mnandi amazi Sinikiwe.
Fuck you Sinikiwe, 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 fuck you Sinikiwe.